All right, I got scripture for the young kings and queens out there. So see, when you're in your early ages, you tend not to go through a lot of, a lot of the stress and the drama of life. So it's good to go ahead and tap in with the good aspects of the Bible at an early age, so that as you get older, when you have less time to be able to study these things, it can just already be inside. You know what I'm saying? You can have embodied this version of yourself, so you don't have to go through it. So I'm gonna read to y'all. I don't know, Ecclesiastes. I ain't never knew how to say that word, but I read it a bunch of times. Ecclesiastes or whatever. So 11:9. So rejoice, O young man, in your youth, and let your heart cheer you in the days of your youth. Walk in the ways of your heart and in the sight of your eyes, but know that for all these God will bring you into judgment. Therefore remove sorrow from your heart and put away evil from your flesh, for childhood and youth are vanity. Remember now your Creator in the days of your youth, before the difficult days come, and the years draw near when you say, I have no pleasure in them, while the sun and the light, the moon and the stars are not darkened, and the clouds do not return after the rain. In the day when the keepers of the house tremble, and the strong men bow down, when the grinders cease because they are few, and those that look through the windows grow dim. When the doors are shut in the streets, and the sound of grinding is low, when one rises up at the sound of a bird, and all the daughters of music are brought low. Also they are afraid of height, and the terrors in the ways. When the almond tree blossoms, the grasshopper is a burden, and desire fails. For man goes to his eternal home, and the mourners go about the streets. So that's basically saying, wake up in the morning, take in the game right before the day starts, early in the morning, before the sun even come up at times. And it's okay to rise up and be great because, other people, they might be in fear of that greatness that you have within yourself. You know what I'm saying? But you can still be the best version of yourself and don't have to worry about how everybody else thinking about it because you know the right things to do. You know the way. So you show them the way. You show them what it means to be great. You know what I'm saying? What it means to walk in honor, to walk in correctness, which is doing the right thing. That's where the word righteous come from. You know what I'm saying? So we want to do the right, correct, righteous thing. You know what I'm saying? When you hear words like rejoice, O young men, the letter O, that's holy. Holy equals balance. You know what I'm saying? Being a balanced young man, a balanced young woman. You know what I'm saying? Doing right by yourself. I mean, you might not always know the way, but there are people out there that you can always ask. Learn from, follow in the ways of the anointed. The anointed are the ones who do know. So you find the ones that know the game that you want the information to. You get it from them, and you get it from as many people with the game as possible. So now you are a cognitive thinker. You know what I'm saying? Now you have been empowered. You have empowered yourself. I hope this work out for y'all. I shake.